quadrilateral. Firstly, we start from the curve. Set of points joining together without lifting a pen or pencil is called curve. Curve is actually a set of points which we join together but without lifting a pen or pencil. There are many types of curves. First type is simple curve. Simple curve is a curve which never intersects itself. It means which never crosses itself. For example, square, rectangle, circle, etc. Second type of curve is non-simple curve. Non-simple curve is that type of curve which intersects itself one or more times. For example, this is a figure. In this figure, it intersects at this point. So we can't say it simple curve, we will say it non-simple curve. Third type of curve is closed curve. Closed curve is a curve. Closed curve is a curve in which starting and the end points are same. It forms a closed shape. For example, oval, square, etc. And the last type of curve is open curve. Open curve is a curve which never forms a closed shape, it forms an open shape. And in this type of curve, the starting point is one and the end point is another. Now we will move towards the polygon. Polygon is a simple closed figure which is made up of line segments. Simple closed figure means which never intersects itself and which is closed. And it's made up of line segments. There are many types of polygon. First type of polygon is regular polygon. Regular polygon is a polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. For example, equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon. Second type of polygon is irregular polygon. Irregular polygon is a polygon in which sides and angles are not all equal. For example, most pentagons, most quadrilaterals, etc. Third type of polygon is convex polygon. Convex polygon is a polygon whose all diagonals lie inside the polygon. No diagonal lies outside the polygon. And last type of polygon is concave polygon. Concave polygon is a polygon whose at least one diagonal lies outside of the polygon. Now our main topic is quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a simple closed polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. There are many types of quadrilaterals. First type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallelogram. Parallelogram also has many types. For example, first type is square. Square is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. Second type is rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. Third type is rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal but angles may or may not be equal. And there are some properties of parallelogram. First property is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Second property is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. And the third property is the angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is equal to 180. And the last property of parallelogram is the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. The second type of quadrilaterals is kite. Kite is a quadrilateral whose 2 pair of adjacent sides are equal. And the last type of quadrilaterals is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose 1 pair of opposite sides is equal and another pair is not parallel. Thank you.